Good afternoon, students, and welcome to my next video on Total English. In this video, I'll be discussing the answers of the assignments and the specimen paper given in Unit 6 of Total English, Class 11, latest edition. So let's start with the exercise given on page 89 of your books. In each of the following items, sentence A is complete, but sentence B is not. Complete sentence B, making it as similar in meaning to sentence A. Write down sentence B complete in each case. Let's start with the first one. The first sentence is, 3 men are loading the wagon. The wagon is being loaded by 3 men. The wagon is being loaded by 3 men. Second one, the president gave Sasha a reward for her bravery. The answer is, Sasha was given a reward for her bravery by the president. Third one, Mr. Singh was known to be a cruel man. People knew Mr. Singh to be a cruel man. Full stop. Fourth one, alas, we shall hear Rajiv's voice no more. Alas, Rajiv's voice will be heard no more. Or you can write it as, alas, Rajiv's voice will not be heard anymore. So you can use both no more or anymore. One of the most eminent scholars of the day reviewed the book on wildlife. The answer is, the book on wildlife was reviewed by one of the most eminent scholars of the day. Full stop. Sixth one, why did Sam deprive you of your money? The answer is, why were you deprived of your money by Sam? Don't forget to put the question mark. That is important. Seventh one, short skirts are now being worn again. You have to start with girls are. So girls are now wearing short skirts again. Full stop. Eighth one, too much is being taken for granted. The answer is, they are taking too much for granted. Full stop. Ninth one, the king's subjects accused him of various offenses. The king was accused of various offenses by his subjects. Full stop. 10th one, who has broken the glass? The answer is, by whom has the glass been broken? Question mark. 11th one, we should often feel that these situations need never arise. Answer is, it is often felt by us that these situations need never arise. 12th one, they must listen to his voice. The answer is, his voice must be listened to by them. 13th one, Varun hoped to succeed his father. The answer is, it was hoped by Varun that he would succeed his father. Full stop. 14th, there is a reason to believe that they have saved the crew. The answer is, it is reasonable to believe that the crew has been saved by them. Full stop. 15th one, no one ought ever to make so false an accusation. So false an accusation ought not to be ever made by anyone. With this, we come to the end of this assignment. Moving ahead to the next exercise, which is on page 94 of your books. It's an exercise on phrasal verbs. The first one is, we look forward to holidays. Second one, we look to our constitution to give us a political solution. See, we have to use the words which are given in this help box. So we'll use to in the second one also. The nurse looked after the child. Fourth one, next week we shall look into the case. Fifth one, look up the word in the dictionary. Sixth, we must look up to our teachers as our parents. Seventh one, we should not look down upon the poor. We should not look down upon the poor. This we come to the end of this assignment also. Now moving ahead to the specimen paper 6, page 96. That is question 3 of your specimen paper, page 96, part A. The first sentence, her refusal to sign the will greatly disappointed her sons. The answer is, in refusing to sign the will, comma, she greatly disappointed her sons. Full stop. In refusing to sign the will, comma, she greatly disappointed her sons. Second one, the spread of local market along the road might delay traffic. The answer is, traffic might be delayed due to the spread of local market along the road. Traffic might be delayed due to the spread of local market along the road. The third one, only the foundation and nothing else of the fort remains. Answer is, all except the foundation of the fort has been lost. It can be damaged, destroyed. These words also you can use. All except the foundation of the fort has been lost. Fourth one, to what extent does this insurance cover you? How far are you covered by this insurance? Please don't forget to put a question mark, right, at the end. How far are you covered by this insurance? How many people can this auditorium accommodate? What is the seating capacity of this auditorium? I forgot to put a question mark. It is not visible at the end, so you please put a question mark here, right? Question mark. It is a funny question mark which I've made, but you please put a question mark. I forgot. Here also you have to put a question mark. How far are you covered by this insurance? It's written insurance. Okay. So what is the seating capacity of this auditorium? Question mark. With this, we come to the end of this exercise. Now moving ahead to part B of question 3. Fill in each blank with a suitable word. The cake was shared among her children. Second one, the property was shared between two brothers. Between. Third one, Chandan fell out with his family. Fourth one, all his plans fell through due to lack of planning. Fifth one, we should not go back on our promise. Sixth, the gun went off by accident and hit the tree. OFF off. Seventh one, she puts on an artificial accent to impress us. Eighth one, where were you put up for the night? Ninth one, he has set aside some money for his children. 10th one, he set out for Japan last Monday. Moving ahead to page 97, part C of this specimen paper. Fill in the blanks in the passage given below with the appropriate form of verb given in brackets. Do not write the passage, but write the verbs in the correct order. So I'll be reading the passage and telling you the answers. Yoga can help in improving the quality of life of drug users and reduce the frequency of their drug use, says a recent study conducted. The answer to the first blank is conducted by the Delhi-based AIIMS. The study used, the answer to the second blank is used, Sudarshan Kriya Yoga and meditation as a treatment along with regular treatment among a group of drug addicts, especially heroin users. Sky consists of a specific sequence of varying breathing. The answer to the third blank is breathing rates separated by brief periods of normal breathing. 84 heroin users undergoing treatment. The answer to the fourth blank is undergoing. Undergoing treatment at a community-based clinic of National Drug Dependence Treatment Center participated. The answer to the fifth blank is participated in the study, which concluded at AIIMS. The answer to the sixth blank is concluded. The study showed. The answer to the seventh blank is showed that yoga intervention produced. The answer to the eighth blank is produced a significant change in the physical, social relationship and environmental domains of quality of life. More studies need to be carried. The answer to the ninth blank is to be carried out in different settings with a larger sample size to replicate. The answer to the 10th blank is to replicate the findings of this study. With this, we come to the end of this video. If you liked the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.